Hello trader, welcome to my channel. My name is AdeDavidson. I'm a trader, and right here on this channel, I share my knowledge, experiences, and document my journey into the forex market. If today is the first time of visiting my channel, do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so I get notified every time I upload a video like this. Without much talk, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, welcome. In this lesson, you will learn about what forex trading is, its meaning, definition, facts about it, and other necessary things you need to know about forex trading. So, what is forex trading? What is forex trading? What exactly is forex trading? The word forex is derived from two abbreviated words, which are FOR, which stands for foreign, and EX, which stands for exchange. So when these two words are matched together, you get the word foreign exchange. Okay, what this is simply telling you is the word forex. When you hear people say forex, okay, this is simply this word forex is simply made from adding two abbreviated words together, and which is the first three letters of foreign, which is FOR, and the first two letters of exchange, which is EX. Okay, so when these two words are bring together, that is when you get the word foreign exchange. So when next you hear someone say forex, so you should know that what they are talking about is foreign exchange. Okay, that is simply the true meaning of the word forex. All right, so I want you to keep that in mind. All right, so forex trading definition. So what exactly is forex trading? So forex trading is simply defined as the exchange of two foreign currency or currencies between two or more people known as traders in the forex market and at a particular period of time. Okay, it can also be defined as the buying and selling of foreign currency or currencies between two or more people in the forex market and at a particular period of time. Okay, so foreign exchange trading or forex trading is buying and selling of two foreign currencies at a particular period of time and in the forex market. Okay, so when you're buying one asset or buying one currency, it simply means you are selling the other currency. Also, let's say for instance now, the last time your uncle, your friend, your brother, or anyone around you, okay, sent you some couple of other dollars from abroad, how did you exchange it to your local currencies? I want you to reflect or remember the process that you took, okay, that you took to exchange the international currency, the process you took to exchange it to your own local currency. So let's say your brother or your uncle from abroad send you some couple of dollars, okay, so in order to exchange it to what you currently spend here in Nigeria, which is Nigerian naira, so you take that dollar to the bank or to Malam or to whichever exchanger that you make use of at that point in time. Okay, so what you do is you give this Malam or the bank the dollar you have in your possession, then in order to receive Nigeria naira. So what you just did there is foreign exchange trading. That is, you buy the naira while you are selling the dollar. Okay, so in order to have naira, you give up the dollar you have with you. Okay, so that is buying naira while you are selling the dollar. All right, so Forex trading is simply you buying one asset and selling the other asset. Okay, buying one currency and selling the other currencies. So that is what forex trading is simply all about. Okay, whenever you are buying a particular currency pair, just know that you are, as you are buying one currency, then you are selling the other currency pair. So for example, now euro usd. So when you buy euro usd, what you are simply saying is you are buying euro while you are selling the United States dollar. Okay, if you are selling euro USD, so what you're simply saying is you are selling the euro while you are buying the United States dollar. Okay, that's what forex trading is simply all about. Okay, that is use buying and selling the same asset. Okay, buying and selling a currency pair between two or more people known as trader are in the forex market and at a particular period of time. Okay, that is the definition of forex trading: the exchange of two foreign currencies between two or more traders. That is what forex trading is all about. Okay, so let's look at some facts about the forex market. So forex market facts. Forex market facts. All right. Uh, the first one is the forex market is the largest financial market in the whole world. It's much bigger than the New York Stock Exchange, which is the most celebrated stock exchange in the world. Okay, the forex market is very, very big. It's very, very vast. Due to its volume and due to the liquidity that we have available in the forex market. That's what makes it very, very big, even bigger than the stock exchange we have in this world. And one of the biggest stock exchange we have in the whole world is the New York Stock Exchange. So forex trading, or the forex market rather, is much bigger than it. It's much bigger than the New York Stock Exchange. So that is one fact you need to have and keep in your mind. Okay, the next fact is the forex market daily average trading volume is boosted to exceed $7.5 trillion per day as of recent report. Okay, this is simply telling you how much money that is going on, like how voluminous this market is. Okay, this shows you the amount of liquidity that we have right there in this market. So the forex market daily average trading volume is boosted to exceed $7.5 trillion per day. So that simply tells you that the kind of money, like how much money that is going on, how much money or transactions that is being done in the forex market on a daily basis. So there's a lot of money to be made here, right there. Okay, so we want to have that fact and keep it in mind. All right, the next fact we also have is the forex market operates 24 hours and 5 days per week, unlike the stock market that opens only when the banks are open and closes with the same. Okay, the forex market is always open. Okay, it's always open 24 hours round the clock, 24 hours, but only for 5 days in a week. That time is from 5 p.m. on Sunday. That is when the market opens. 5 p.m. New York time, 5 p.m. New York time on Sunday till 5 p.m. on Friday. That is when the market closes. Okay, so the forex market operates 24 hours during this period, during these days, from this Monday to Friday, every day, like every hour, the market is always active. Okay, there is always activities going on 24 hours in the forex market between this time period. Okay, so the forex market operates 24 hours and 5 days in a week. Okay, that is another fact you want to have in mind and also keep it. Okay, the next fact we have is the forex market. The next fact you need to know is the forex market hours are divided into 3 sessions. Okay, the forex market hours are divided into 3 sessions, which are the London session, the New York session, and the Asian session, which comprises of the Sydney session and the Tokyo sessions. Over time, as you proceed in your trading journey, you will learn more about how these sessions work. Okay, during this session, there are more volatility in some sessions compared to other sessions. Okay, there are more volatility, there are more activity going on in the market during some particular hours of the day compared to some hours of the day. Okay, there are more activities going on during the London and New York session compared to the Asian session, but you get to learn more about all these things as you proceed in your trading journey. Just want you to know this as a trader, that the forex markets are divided into 3 sessions. Okay, so have this at the back of your mind and keep it in mind. So forex market participants, who are those people that participate in forex market? Who are those that buy or sell in the forex market? This is what this person is simply telling you. Okay, you have to know the kind of people that trade the forex market on a daily basis. Okay, the central banks participate in the forex market in order to stabilize the economic activities going on in their country, and also to maintain the strength of their currencies. Okay, this is one of the reasons why central banks participate in the forex market. To have an in-depth knowledge about this, you can simply make more research about it. Okay, the others or second participants we have in the forex market is the hedge funds. These are big institutions. Okay, these are big institutions that manage investment funds. Okay, so hedge funds are more like let me use an example like this. Okay, let's say you, as a wealthy man, now you want to diversify your wealth. Okay, so but you don't have an in-depth knowledge about trading, so all you do is to invest some particular amount of money with a hedge fund, so they help you trade with it, manage your funds, and at the end of the year, or at the end of whichever time duration whichever time duration that it gives you, there is a specific interest, okay, that is assigned to whichever amount that you invested with them. So what hedge funds usually do is they help investors, or yeah, individuals or investors, to manage their funds. Okay, these are institutions that also participate in the forex market. All right, the next participants we also have in the forex market are speculators. Okay, these are people or individuals that participate in the forex market in order to capitalize on the short time movement of forex. Okay, a speculator can buy Euro USD this morning and sell it probably in the afternoon in order to take his profit. So basically, what speculators do in the forex market is they capitalize on short time price movement. Okay, another participant we have in the forex market is the investors. These are people that buy a particular currency or sell a particular currency for a long-term purposes. Okay, they invest in a specific or particular currency. They can buy and hold the currency for a couple of years, couple of months, and couple of weeks. Okay, these are big investors. They also participate in the forex market. Another participant we have in the market is smart monies. So these are people I believe to be the market makers, the market owners. Okay, so one thing you need to understand as a trader is the market is owned and controlled by some specific set of people. Okay, your orders, like your 100 lot size, your one lot size, or one standard lot size, and a whole lot of stuff right there is not enough to move the market one pip. Okay, so these people, smart money, are the ones in charge or behind every impulsive price leg that you see in the forex market. So as for me, I believe smart money are the people that own and control price movement in the forex market. Okay, so these are people that also participate in the forex market. Forex market participants include central banks, hedge funds, speculators, investors, and smart money. So make more research to learn more about all of these people and how they operate in the forex market. All right. So major currency pairs trade in the forex market. There are certain currency pairs that traders usually trade, okay, in the forex market. And right here, let's check which are some of them. Okay, we have Euro USD, Euro pair with United States dollar. Okay, Euro USD is one of the major currency pairs that traders trade in the forex market. We also have GBP USD, which is a Great British pounds pair with United States dollar. Also have USD JPY, which is United States dollar pair with Japanese yen. You have USD card, United States dollar pair with Canadian dollar, and NZD USD, which is a New Zealand dollar pair with United States dollar, and a whole lot more. There are lots more. There are lots of hundreds of currency pair that you can trade out there. Okay, just have to pick one or two that you resonate with, learn it, understand its price movement, and capitalize on it. Okay, so that is basically all I want to share with you in this video, and that is all I want to share with you right here in this video. But before you leave, do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a video like this. Until next time, I wish you good luck, good day, and good trading.